Hello, this is me, Christian, again, and we're gonna demonstrate this little clip of this video about this volcano right here that my sibling made. And this is what happens when you put baking soda. Let me get a closer view here.
Whoa!
You put a lot of baking soda in.
I hope you guys can see this, but right here.
It's only vinegar. That is actually used for cleaning, so.
Oh, it smells good.
Well, the stuff that was sitting in it.
Can I pour some in?
Yeah, you're seeing this volcano, right, guys? Yeah.
Oh, they came up to the surface, but not.
Oh man, this is quite a volcano eruption here. It's not very often that you see this.
Oh! I don't think we're supposed to touch it.
Science classes were you doing?
I want to post it to my teacher because I have
Yeah,
done a lot
you can
of
really
it
do
too.
this for science.
Only
It's
put
true.
this much in.
I helped make rocks and all that stuff.
Oh, it's leaking!
It's not a
Grab
real.
the chair.
It's
I
not a
know
real
it fell
volcano,
down the
so
way.
yeah.
There's paper towel right here. Look, I was prepared for this.
Yay! Can I pour some of that in?
I wasn't prepared for it to go in the
Okay,
chair.
that was not supposed to happen. Dang it.
Well, that's going to turn nice
I
and
can't
white.
even.
Now look at this. See all that dark that's been on there?
Oh, geez.
Look what vinegar
Can I-
Yeah,
has
look at
added.
that, guys.
Yeah, you go ahead.
Some more.
Touch it.
It burned you.
I can't watch
This is, it's called an alkaline base reaction. Can everyone
That's a
remember
good waste of
Probably.
clay, but good.
Well, anyways, guys, if you
This is
enjoy,
what happens
if
when
you
mix-
enjoy this little
mix an alkaline
volcano
and a
video
base,
here,
an acid and a base.
you know what to do. Subscribe.
Like.
Yeah.
Oh,
Put
oh,
those
fuck.
thumbs up. And yeah. Anyways, Christian signing off. Bye bye.
Migrate this to